What's up, guys? So today I want to show you the location to our office. So right now we are at Shell petrol station, mahali kuna Chicken Inn along Thika Road. So we just a few minutes away. So ukitoka side ya Ruiru na huko juu, this is where you are. And ukitoka side ya chini ya Kimbo, or rather Thika, from that direction. So come with me as we get to the office location. Let's go. Anza kuona Spar Mall pale juu. So there are two ways to get into the mall. There is the main gate, which uses motor vehicles, and the second gate is the pedestrian gate. So this is the entrance, main entrance to the mall. Come with me. Yeah, we are on the lift, so we're going to second floor. Yeah, so we're waiting for the lift, then we go. In 2 minutes we'll be there. Oh, that's right. So that's traffic at second floor, so let's go. S48, and now we are at S47. So once you arrive at the reception desk, you'll meet a lovely lady by the name Mercy. So Mercy, you can wave to the future visitors. So we at our Karibisha, and she'll give you this lovely brochure that has all the details about our services. So yeah. And of course, the director is always accessible, me, myself. So you're always welcome. And hii kiti ni yako na mwingine hapa. So yeah. Thank you so much, and I look forward to see you. Location, remember, you can always get it on Google Map. It's on Spar Mall, second floor, S47. Make sure to follow us across all the socials at Brains with Concepts. See you, and Karibu Brains with Concepts, empowering digital entrepreneurship.